So farmers, welcome back to another video of Makwala Agri. This is a favorite agricultural YouTube channel. So in today's video, I just decided to go to the store where I buy my products from. So right now I'll be driving to the store. It's not far from my house. It's about a few kilometers, maybe 2 or less than 2 kilometers. Yeah, man. Join me on today's ride. I'm not drinking one task, man. I'm drinking water with ice. Now we're in my car. This is my neighborhood, guys. They're busy with the main road, so I'll be using a detour road, just a temporary road. They're busy constructing the main road. It had so much potholes, you know. In South Africa, each and every road has a pothole, so they're trying to put a new tar road there to solve the issue of potholes. Seems like it's another pandemic in South Africa, potholes. So otherwise, guys, we're about to approach December. It's a bad time for many farmers, as we know that people get scammed. Some get to be sold low quality or poor chicks. But yeah, it is what it is. We have no choice. This is how we live. This is how we farm. It's festive season. If you wanna consider to start on today's Friday, it's one of those days. Those who drink alcohol will be going out to drink alcohol. This is the first shop that we're going into. That is in Brenko. Dere, Tsamaga. Let's push. Oh, I know it again. You are going to brandy one vandaag. Ah. So that's the love away. 40 rand. Ah. Say gold as what? Monday ni. Age ke dadanya nngwe ya ga yi ska. Kirke dadanya nngwe ya ga ya mo YouTube da. Ya no bage ke tsetse video ke na le channel nyana la YouTube. O ska no magala wa re khante damani.
Ayo kasta.
Ya, sawara. So le baisha Brenko le ling le silgro. Then the chicks tell nage 1.1.
1.1.
So yeah, thank you Brian. Ogonompa price list here. So marvelu li fully booked kama tuan. Cause good December gatse worry during festive season what about fully booked.
Sawana kaba.
Oh. So that's the first store, guys. You saw the prices, you decide. So the language that I've been speaking is Pedi. I'm Pedi. Those who come from other countries, other provinces. So I'm in South Africa, I'm speaking Pedi. We have a nice neighborhood here. My neighborhood, so nice. So nice. You got a nice neighborhood here, man. Nice neighborhood. Very